Meaning of disgracefully.
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 Disgracefully. Disgracefully is an adverb that describes a situation where someone or something has behaved in a shameful, unacceptable, or dishonorable manner. It can refer to actions that are seen as immoral, unethical, or beneath a certain standard of behavior. When a person behaves disgracefully, they may lose the respect and admiration of their peers and be viewed negatively by others. The consequences of disgraceful behavior can include damaged reputations, loss of trust, and even legal or financial repercussions in some cases. Ultimately, behaving disgracefully can have serious personal and professional consequences.